let's talk about applying for legal aid. Please remember, this video is about applying for legal aid. Appealing the Asylum Service decision is a separate procedure from the legal aid application. We are now going to discuss applying for legal aid in 10 steps. Step 1. Visit the International Protection Administrative Court. You should go to the court as soon as possible after you receive the rejection letter from Asylum Service. When you go to court, be sure to bring your rejection letter, your confirmation letter and your alien book. Step 2. At the court, request an application form for legal aid. Things to note. The application form should be completed in Greek, but an interpreter will assist you free of charge. If no interpreter is available, the court will give you a date to come back to fill out the form. This could be in 2 to 3 days. The whole application is without cost. Step 3. Fill out the form. In the form, you should explain the reasons why you want to appeal. And you should also explain why you can't afford to pay for a lawyer yourself. The reasons why you want to appeal could include reasons why you did not think your case was examined properly, any new evidence which you have to add, or any problems which you might have had with the procedure during the Asylum Service interview. Step 4. Submit the application to the court. When you submit the application, the court will give you a case number. This is how you can identify yourself in the court, and they will also give you a date for the first hearing. Pay very close attention to this date. Step 5. Go to court for the first hearing. It's very important you attend this hearing because if you fail to do so, your legal aid application may be rejected. Step 6. At the first hearing, you must explain to the judge the reasons for making the legal aid application. So like you explained in the application form, you need to say the reasons why you want to appeal, any problems you might have had with procedure, any new evidence or additional information you want to add, and again, why you cannot afford to pay for a lawyer yourself. During the first hearing, an interpreter will assist you to speak with the judge. Again, this will be provided free of charge. The judge will then ask the state lawyer if they object to your legal aid application. If the state lawyer objects, they must prepare a written note. The judge will then give a date for the second hearing, and during this time, the state lawyer will write the note. Step 7. Receive the written note. The court registrar will call you when the note is ready. The note will be in Greek, so an interpreter will assist you to translate it orally. In practice, this isn't done in detail. If the note is not ready before the second hearing, you will receive it at the second hearing. Step 8. The second hearing. The judge will ask you if you received the note and if you understood it. If you have not received the note at this stage, you must tell the judge, and you can ask for more time in order to read the note and understand it with the help of the interpreter. Step 9. You have the opportunity to defend your legal aid application. If you disagree with what the state lawyer has written in the note, you can tell the judge, and the judge may give more time and call you back for a third hearing. Step 10. The final decision. The court registrar will call you when the decision is ready, and you must go to the court to receive it. If the decision is positive, you will be allocated a lawyer free of charge. You can choose from a list that the court has of government-funded lawyers, or you may know a government-funded lawyer yourself. Remember, you still need to pay €96 for court stamps, and you must ensure that the lawyer appeals before the deadline of 15 or 30 days as indicated on your rejection letter. If the decision is negative, you still have the opportunity to engage a private lawyer or make the appeal by yourself. For more information on making the appeal by yourself, please see our separate handout and the next video.